morning, children. How are you? Are you all right? Are you happy and safe? Okay. So let's begin with grammar today. Keep your grammar book ready. Take page number 32. Keep your pencils ready. I think you don't need eraser because you are not going to make any mistakes, isn't it? And mind you, write neatly with the letters little big. Don't make it very tiny. It's very difficult to see it. Okay. Now, this work you can self-check. That means check by yourself and see if it is correct. Right? You don't have to send it to me. You must check it. Whatever I am reading here or telling you, you should hear carefully and then do it neatly and correctly. Right? So let's begin. Okay. Get still. Get start. Okay. Okay, let's begin. Now we have already learned what is verb. What is verb? Yes, action words. Whatever we do. Now, teach. It's an action. What I'm doing is it's a verb. Teaching. Teach. Jump. Swim. Climb. Punch. Pinch. Punch means to give blows like that. Yes. Then, what else? Yes. Slice. Cut. Then, look. Speak. Hear. All these are action words. There are a number of action words. Whatever we are doing. Walk. Run. Skip. Stand. Sit. Speak. Everything. So now you know what is action word and I know you're very clear about it. Okay. Now you have to circle and color. Not only circle, you have to also color it. Okay. Circle and color the verb in the following sentences. Many sentences are given over here. Let's just read through that. People eat mangoes in different ways. People eat mangoes in different ways. Yes. Which is the verb here? Eat. Circle that and you can color it later on. Some peel it, chop it, eat it. In the second sentence, there are 2 or 3 verbs there are. Yes, let's see. Some peel. Peel means to take off the skin. Then what others do? Chop. Make it into pieces and eat it. So, there are 3 verbs in it. Peel, circle that, chop, eat. Third one, she cut it and scooped the fruit with a spoon and ate it. She cut it, so cut. Scoop means to take it with a spoon, scoop it, and then what she does? The fruit with a spoon and eat it. So how many verbs are there? Yes, 3. Which are they? Cut, scoop, eat. The last one. Come to the fourth one. Many bite it and suck the juice. Many bite. Bite means put in your mouth and use your teeth to make it into pieces. Bite, that is an action word. Suck means what you put in your mouth and you suck it. That's an action. Pulling in the juice with your tongue and your lips. Yes, that is suck it. Many means what? Yes, lot of people bite it and suck the juice. They bite it and then pull in their juice into the mouth. So, bite and suck are the verb here. Some slice it, add salt and eat it. Yes. What do others do? Some slice it, make it into pieces. Circle, slice, then add salt. Put salt. You add salt and eat it. So, what are the verbs here? Yes, slice, add and eat. Yeah. So, we finish with that page. Let's move on to page number 33. Here, let's just read that. If an action word ends with S, then the noun is in singular form. If the action word ends with S, the noun is in singular form. The naming word is in singular form. Use of an action that happens now, it is called present tense. Action what is happening now at the moment, at this time. That is called the present tense. Stand, that's a present tense. Stood, what you did sometime back or yesterday or long back. That is past tense. Present means what is happening now at the moment. Now speak is the action which is happening now. Spoke, I was speaking little before. That means the action which happened little while ago or some time ago. Spoke. Read. Now what I am doing is, the action what is happening now is read or speak. Action what has happened some time back or maybe yesterday or long ago, that we say spoke or wrote or read. Read, read. Spelling is the same, only the pronunciation is different. Read, R-E-A-D, read, what I am doing it now. Read, maybe little while ago, few minutes ago. That is read. Run, ran. Walk, walked. That is in the past tense. Now, I am talking about the present tense is the action what is happening now. For example, she sings. The dog barks. Here the noun is all in singular. She, one person. Dog, one person. So the tense also should be in in present tense, in singular or plural. Yes, it should be also in singular form. Circle the correct verb and color it blue. Now here you have to color it blue. Circle the correct word, correct verb. My dog. Now the dog here it is in singular. So what should be the tense here, present tense? Yes. My dog dash at strangers. It's given here barks, sings, which is a correct verb. Dog sings. Yes, some dog sings, it seems, yes. But here, the dog's action is always barks. So, tick that option and color it in blue. Can you dash the ball? Can you jump the ball? Is it correct? No. Can you catch the ball? Yes. The boy rings, bangs the bell. What do you do with the bell? You bangs the bell? No. You rings the bell. Yes, the boy rings the bell. Fourth one, the balloon dash big. Is it flies big? No. It grows big. The hen, lays eggs. Tick, lays. Lays means it put down eggs. The cock crows, not mews, cat mews. The cock crows. Now read the sentence and observe the use of action. Just got to read this, okay, and just understand the action. I go to school every day. Not I goes to school, I go to school every day. We go to the market by car. He goes to college by bus. See the usage here? Goes. I do my homework before I have my dinner. She does her work neatly. Now turn to page number 34. It's very easy. You just got to copy this into these lines. Just read it. First we read what is written in the left hand side box, and then we read the right hand side box. I, we, you, they, he, she, Neha, Anju. Go to school every day. Go to play at 6 o'clock. Do the class work neatly. Swim in the pool. Goes to play at 6 o'clock. Does class work neatly. Swims in the pool. Writes well. So here we are speaking about singular, one person. Then we are speaking about I, we, you and they, and what are the usages given here. Just got to copy that. Now here I, begin with capital letter. I go to school every day. You match the line. First you match the line like this. Each sentence you got to match it, and the same sentence should be written on these lines neatly. When you write, begin with a capital letter, end with full stop, leave space in between, do the correct strokes, middle stroke, upward stroke, downward stroke. All this keep in mind and copy this into your book. Okay, now let's come to page number 35. Here, circle the verb and write them in the basket. There's a basket given there. You see here, you have to write that into the basket. First you got to circle it, and when you circle that, write it into this basket. Alright. Choose good apples, oranges, bananas and papayas. What is the verb here? Yes, choose. Circle that and write it into the basket. Wash them well. Now, this is also a recipe. What is the meaning of recipe? Recipe means giving you an information of what you need and how to do and how much you need. That is a recipe. Choose means to select. So first you circle that. Second one, wash them. Yes, wash them to take away all the dirt and all what is stuck on it. So you have to wash them. Write that and circle the word. Write them into the box there, into that basket. Peel and cut them into tiny pieces. Peel means to remove the skin. That is the correct usage is peel. Peel, and what you should do? Cut them into tiny pieces, small pieces. So peel and cut are the verb here. Circle that and then write it into the basket. Put them in a bowl. In a bowl. Yes, this is called a bowl. Okay. It's a kind of vessel is called bowl. Not bowl. It is not bowl. It's bowl. Put them in a bowl. After cutting it, what you should do? Yes, put them in a bowl. Circle put and write them into the basket here. Now add sugar and chaat masala. Yes, after cutting it, add sugar and then chaat masala. Okay, add, circle add and write it there. Your fruit chaat is ready to eat. Now what is the next verb? Eat. So circle that and write it into the basket. Now next one, add D or ED to change it into past tense. Change it into past tense. The first one, smile, chase, move, taste, save, like. With all this present tense, you got to add only D with it. Only add D means don't only write D, write the word and add D. Smile, smiled. Chase, chased. Only add D along with the word. Move, moved. Taste, tasted. Save, saved. Like, liked. The next one you got to add only ED with it. ED with the, to change that present tense into past tense, you add ED. Want, wanted. WANTED. Talk, talked. With the talk you have to add ED. Look, looked. Walk, walked. Point, pointed. Brush, brushed. Laugh, laughed. You have to add ED with it. Okay, again and again I am reminding you. Don't only write ED and keep it. You have to write that word plus you have to write ED with it. Play, played. Flow, flowed. Shout, shouted. Comb, combed. Wash, washed. Now we have changed this present tense into past tense by adding ED with the word. Now here, do an action. Whatever action, draw in the space provided. There is space given here. Any action which you like, you can draw the picture of that and write the past tense of the action in the blank. And whatever action you are drawing here, whatever picture you are drawing with the action, that past tense should be written on this line. Okay, this is all today for you. So go through it. It's very simple. It's about Yes, past tense and verbs, isn't it? Yeah. So, learn that, okay? And revise your lessons. Next month, by the 13th or 14th, your second term exam will begin. So, all of you get ready, right? Okay. And keep writing neatly. Don't make mistakes. Keep away the eraser. We don't need the eraser, right? Okay. So, bye-bye. Take care of yourself.